Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at is a Marx 6-volt 897 with an LED headlight installed. Anyway, they had to do a couple of slight modifications to this shell, but that's that 6-volt motor that drops in there like it was made for it. Anyway, this has to be one of the most splendid running locomotives I've ever run. It's so quiet and smooth, it's really quite incredible. It has an intensely bright headlight. It has lots of power. It's really quiet. It's really smooth. A 6-volt motor, DC motor of course, mounted vertically driving the rear wheels. And as you see, this works. So anyway, this is where that motor is going to live from now on. I now have a 6-volt 897. And as you see, that runs really, really well. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. You know, it started out as a simple experiment, and I wound up with a new locomotive. That motor fits in there like it was made for it. And it's got the new LED headlight installed, epoxied in place, wired directly to that motor. And as you see, this works. Actually turned into a really decent locomotive. And that 897 is far from perfect, which made it the perfect candidate to use for this transplant. So as you see, this runs just absolutely perfectly. It looks nice, it runs nice. Made completely out of different parts, of course. But I always stress, don't overlook the junk. You know, a big difference between this and that 490 shell that motor was in. So it has a working, intensely bright white headlight. And it runs just absolutely splendidly. So it was a fun experiment that resulted in a new locomotive for me. So I'm happy with it. Running this on the portable controller, of course. But as you see, you couldn't ask for a locomotive to run better than this. You simply could not. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.